Alright, what's up, guys? I'm with my boy, Raul, OBS. Today we're gonna do a cash can from J&L on a '08 Silverado. Alright, go. How are we gonna do this?
Alright, so first we gotta remove this line right here. It's on some trucks, I know they have clips. This one doesn't, it's just a sleeve. And right here is this one. As soon as you take out the back one, this one's gonna pop out sideways and just remove it, and then we're gonna have to cut it, and we'll go from there. See how we install this.
Alright.
Brackets on them. I can't fucking move this one though. Oh no, this thing comes off too.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you just pulled it.
Because on some of them, they slid. This is gonna be harder.
Alright, so what you do, I don't know if you can see, right there. You just pop it off. And you pop this one off. It's right here. And I guess we're gonna cut it right now. Alright, so we're gonna cut it right here before the turn. So like right here. And this one, we're gonna cut it right here. So there's enough room to put it back. And this is the cash can. It comes with the hardware.
Okay. Right here?
Yeah, that's pretty good. Alright, nice.
Well, that's not supposed to happen.
I'll get it.
Okay, and then we're gonna cut like right here.
Let me see.
Give it enough room.
Yeah, that's right.
Hold it.
And you yeet this.
And then the short one goes to the top. This is the top one, right? No, this is the whole piece we cut. This is the top one.
Yeah, that's the top one.
This is the top one right here. So just open it. Go like this. And depending on which one you have to buy, they come with the hardware and the hardware with the little thing. I want you to open them. Let me go get a flyer. Let me go like these. And you put it like these. These. Make sure it's on tight. Make sure it don't come out.
Very sturdy.
Easier. And then the bow. Easier.
You didn't open this here.
They go like, bro, I don't know where this Phillips, this flathead is bent. You see that?
Oh, didn't I now bent it when we were taking off the
I think it was the one, the O2, no? When we were taking off your O2 something?
No. We were taking off something from here.
Oh, it's the one we did the alternator on, right?
Yeah, the alternator.
Yeah.
We couldn't take it off, so we put the flathead.
That's right. We pried it out. Yeah,
We broke the other flathead.
Yeah. That is right. Alright, make sure to shut it in. And just. And then after that, we're just gonna put the mount. Have it mounted already. We're gonna do mine.
We're gonna put it right here. This bolt. We're gonna take this bolt.
He's really freaking. Where'd I leave my? That's it.
Yeah, this one.
Good. Take this one out. Come with the bigger one. So if you have that harness hole, you'll be able to keep the old harness hole. And you're the turbos, the diesels, I guess.
Straight right here. Yeah, right.
There it is. sturdy.
Yeah,
Oh,
that shit's fucking. It won't move. But it's an easy ass fucking install, dude.
I know. I thought it was gonna be harder looking.
No, yeah.
This goes right there. Hold on. Oh, it's not lining up.
Put the bolt first.
There it is. This one lined up. I'm gonna do this one. Okay, still not lined up.
Put the bolt first. Just put it in first.
Crooked. There's one. And there's two. Right here.
Let's do it.
Okay, with that and that.
Boom. Almost done. 50%. No, 90%.
More like 90%. Which is
90% done.
Alright, so this one, put it back here again. Boom.
Boom. That's done.
And then this one, clip it through, run it right here. Boom.
That's it.
That's it, guys.
That's how you put a cash can.
We can cut these, but I just don't want to. I feel like I'm zip tying right here.
Show them. Get the zip ties. Yeah, that shit's long, dude.
Yeah, so it just goes boom.
Don't you have to put anything right here?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah, because that's
Oh, yeah, that's right. It
all
only
the
comes
way
two. Yeah.
Yeah. So zip tie over here and zip tie over there, so it stays.
Yeah, that's pretty good. You have to get it from somewhere, no?
Yeah, look at them.
Yeah, there, right there.
There's that one.
Boom.
Boom. And then we'll just get this one from the hose right here.
What to cover that logo? We're not sponsored.
Snap-on sponsors.
Yeah. Huh.
You ever come across a video sponsors? There you go.
Boom. That's my job right there. Cutting zip ties.
And that's it right there.
Boom. Easy.
There's back there the valves, and then comes back. Boom, right here. There it is.
Easy install. All right. Oh shit.
Oh, hold on. Tighten it.
It is time, bitch.
Yes? Okay.
I tighten it. All right, we're gonna turn it on right now to see what's the difference. And if we see a difference, then I'm gonna buy one for mine. But right now, we're gonna stick just modding this one. You're fast. You're racing now. What we have to see? What's the difference? Nothing. But you need gas. You don't like gas. I'm just kidding.
Hey, that's pretty expensive out here, guys.
We're gonna drive it later. Show us a little. I don't know what the difference. What's the difference? What does it do? What's the?
All that can does really is catch oil from going into your
It just catches like the
residue.
The residue. Yeah.
Oil.
Okay.
So
No power mods. No power mods this video.
No, it's just
Next video we have a power mod.
This one just helps keep your engine a little
Just
bit
clean.
more
Yeah. Yeah, you can say that. Just clean.
Keeps it clean.
That's it. Perfect. It looks OEM. All right, that's it. Next video, you're gonna see us do a power mod on this truck.